Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. This is Matt. In this video, I'm going to be talking about textbot.ai. It's a text message marketing software that allows you to also make money by simply sharing a number. And you could also make money by sharing your secondary business as well too. So I'm going to go ahead and take you through some of the tabs here. And this is the ABA Basic. You have your leads here. You have your chat. I'll show you how that works. Okay. So here's some of the people that I've messaged as well too. So I'm gonna go ahead and back out of here. And then you got your Ava Plus, and then you have your resellers here. Let's see. And then you have your custom keywords as well. So we're going to go to custom keywords. And this is where you could promote any business. See, I promoted some businesses here as well too. I got my program I was in Level Up here. And then this is another, and the rest of these are textbot AI. And then the Infinity Processing System as well too, that I was in. And you could just set these up. So let's see. Custom keywords. You just go ahead and create a keyword. And then go ahead and choose a word or phrase. And then you could also choose words or other phrases to watch for. And then you could put in the text response. All right. So if, for example, if you're on the keto diet, you could text keto at so and so, or whatever you want to do with that. So, and then they have training here. They have Tech Tuesday product training. Okay, and then you have your affiliate links, your presentation leads. Got your Facebook group resources here. Okay, you got the promo videos. You got live your life, meet Ava. Okay, so you could download the videos and then put it onto YouTube. Make a YouTube video if you don't want to show your face. Okay, and then they have the email swipe copies. Okay, so we'll go ahead and open that up. Okay, so you have different email swipe copies. They'll give you, let's see here. Okay, so they give you, it looks like they give you 11. Wait, hold on here. Oh, they give you quite a few. It looks like a 30. So they gave you a 30-day follow-up series with that. So it's pretty powerful marketing system that they added. They just added it. And this is an AI text bot chat. Will pay you over $100 over and over again. And this will save you time, a ton of time. Okay, and then to set up your profile, just click on my profile. And then they have different payment methods. You can fill in all the information. Click on that. Just add how you want to get paid. PayPal, Venmo, Cash App. Okay. Now, if you want to get started with this, you're going to go ahead and click on the link below. And once again, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Bye.